Your beauty and lust go together, they're scattered all over the place. Your hair overshadows your makeup, and it's running in lines across your face. We're looking out over the water, but you don't want to hold hands. A big nebula, it is fading as the dusk overshadows our dance. And I'm wondering, are the birds gonna stay? I often remember us walking, the first time you smiled at the sea, the wind in our breaths unisono, and the sun in your eyes cast on me. Well, lately I'm straying and tumbling through loopholes and pockets of time. I do hope you still hear me playing when your peacefulness gently and wise. Still I wonder, are the birds gonna stay? Gonna stay, yeah, 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 yeah. We're both staring up at the ceiling, just turning from white into blue. If hurting's as bad as I'm feeling, I'm ever more sorry for you. But as long as we share these lonely mindscapes, well, I guess it's a good thing. Your voice never changes or lingers, the message is always the same. The screen darkens under my fingers, I've only your voicemail to claim. My words are like whispers of darkness, there's silence right after the tone. Can't think of a line you respond to, can't bear myself being alone. Still I wonder, have the birds gone away? Gone away.